Good morning. My name is Terry Brunette. I represent T-Bird Specialty Powder Coating in Eagle, Wisconsin, United States of America. We offer powder coating services here to the automotive restoration people, the motorcycle restoration people, and the airplane restoration people. My website is www.tbird53119.com. Go there to find out what kind of products we have powder coated in the past. We only use pure virgin powders for our powder coating. We enjoy seeing you and talking with you on Facebook about powder coating. I have a presence there. If you want to reach me for a powder coating quote, call me at area code 262-594-3126. And I thank you for this time.